Thank you so much for watching. I am the Techie Flautist. This particular piece is part of our beginner concert band series. If you would like to pick up the score or individual parts, both are available over at Sheet Music Plus, which is good because then the people who wrote it get the royalties and all that jazz. As you can probably tell, the piece is definitely for beginners, but it's split up into a few different parts, kind of hard, easy, medium and hard. But still designed for beginners. So you have your melody, which is really easy for flutes but a little bit more complicated for the rest of the instruments. Then you have your harmony, which is perfect for trumpets and clarinets and saxophones. Then there is the accompaniment part, which went to sort of the tenor, sax and the trombone. If you are enjoying this series, make sure you give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any suggestions on other pieces we could include, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video, and until then, happy practicing!